Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ETF holdings with ETF.com step by step clearly. Go to the ETF.com website. In the search bar, type the ticker symbol of the ETF you want to verify. Press enter or click the search icon. Select the appropriate ETF from the search results. Once on the ETFs page, scroll down to the fund details section. Look for the top holdings subsection. Click on it to expand and view the ETF's holdings. Take note of the listed companies and their respective percentages. To further verify, locate the Portfolio tab on the ETF's page. Click the Portfolio tab for an in-depth look at all holdings. You can also view the sector allocations here. For additional information, check the Performance tab. This section may provide insights into the ETF's historical performance. If you need detailed information about individual holdings, check the fact sheet link. Click on this link to download or view the ETF's fact sheet. Review the fact sheet for a complete list of holdings and more. To ensure accuracy, compare the information on ETF.com with the ETF's official website. If available, check for additional resources like annual reports or SEC filings. Repeat these steps for any other ETFs you wish to verify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.